What's up you guys, it's Ben and welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything there is relating to selling on Amazon. However, on today's video, we're not going to be talking about selling on Amazon. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about the courses and the people that are trying to sell you courses about selling on Amazon. Very recently, I received an email basically asking me to partner up with one of these courses and provide various bits of information to try and help increase sales, revenue, and profits. And I think it's important to be as transparent as possible with you guys because some of you are literally putting in your last bit of savings, £1,000, £2,000 into this business, and you want to get proper help. Okay, if you're going to pay somebody for a course, you want to make sure that that course is as good as it possibly can be. So in today's video, what I wanted to do is make sure you are aware that some of these courses are not as good as it seems. I hope by the end of this video you will put a little bit of doubt in your mind as to which course to go for. Does it sound too good to be true? And also just make you think about whether or not you actually need additional help that you can easily find for free. With that being said, let's get straight to the video. Right guys, so this is the email that I received from this person literally not that long ago. Obviously for obvious reasons I had to blur out his name and his course details and various other things because at the end of the day I do want to shed some light on this so you guys understand exactly what I'm talking about, but at the same time I do not want to get sued for GDPR and various other things. So let's read through the email first. Hi Ben, I hope you're doing well. My name is and I am a full-time Amazon FBA seller and YouTuber just like yourself. Having seen your YouTube video with your journey of £1 million in sales on Amazon, I knew I had to get in touch. Basically, this is just a video he's referring to where I spoke to my subscribers about how I reached £1 million in sales and kind of talking my journey through it. Something that I'm really proud of. I was wondering if you would be interested in partnering up on the course I currently have for sale. As I understand you're not selling an Amazon FBA course yourself, please correct me if I'm wrong. Yes, that is correct. I'm not selling an Amazon FBA course. What I do provide is Amazon FBA one-to-one mentorships. This is where students can actually speak to me one-to-one on a weekly, monthly basis if they wish to do so. It would be great if you could do a few videos, screenshots of your monthly and yearly sales reports. Also, a few screenshots on Amazon FBA seller phone app would be amazing too. In return, I would be happy to offer you £99 for this. Furthermore, if you're happy with this arrangement, we could discuss creating a video about my course on the channel on an affiliate link commission basis. I look forward to hearing from you. Kind regards. So basically what this person is essentially asking me is to create a few videos and screenshots of my yearly and monthly sales reports, something that I actually show on my YouTube videos. Now, given the fact that I'm selling around £70,000 to £80,000 each and every single month, these videos or basically screenshots would be very valuable for him because it will provide him with sort of social proof of his course. He would use those videos and testimonials and various other things in his testimonials, so then potential customers such as you guys would look into that and be like, well, this is clearly legitimate because this student is making £70,000, £80,000 in sales after watching this course, therefore I should be able to do so as well. What you guys don't know is that a lot of these screenshots and videos are being paid for. Quite frankly, I would never ever buy his course, to be completely honest, because I don't think it's that great. And furthermore, I would never actually even share any of my earnings or reports or anything like that with him, because at the end of the day, I do not believe this is just moral for any other reason, to be completely honest. Also, what he wants to do, as you can see from the email, is basically me make a video about his course, about how good his course is, a course that I've never actually taken and never actually watched, and then for any sort of sale that I'll make or basically anybody that actually buys the course from my video, I would get a commission. Usually that is around 20 to 30%. This is what I wanted you guys to be aware of. At the end of the day, remember, selling on Amazon is a business, but also courses that sell on Amazon, that courses that teach you apparently how to sell on Amazon, is also a business, guys. And you need to remember that. And therefore, because these sort of things are not really governed, they're not really regulated by a governing body, people, YouTubers, various other people can do anything they want to try and get a sale. And there are so many shady tactics that people use to get those sales in regards to testimonials, videos, and various other things. So the next time when you're looking to buy a course, have a look, have a think. Is it something you actually need? Or is it something that you're looking just for information that you can easily get for free? YouTube is an amazing platform with so many valuable information completely free of charge for you to start off your Amazon FBA business. In my personal opinion, having now done over 130 videos, I think you can make a course, a quite good course, purely from my videos alone, which you can access all completely for free. Also, question, guys, whenever you see these sorts of student videos, how the student made £10,000 in their first month or £50,000 in the first month, whatever, and they're talking about their journey, that is not 100% legitimate. Sometimes it is, but most cases it's not. It's simply the YouTuber's friend who is talking about, made up figures and made up journeys, whatever, so you guys can actually understand how they got there and so on. However, everything you hear, you must question. You must question even what I say as well, because nothing is 100% legitimate. You have to think about where you're getting your information from, how legitimate this particular person is, how transparent this particular person is, because the information that they provide may not be correct. In some cases, some of my students that have bought courses before in the past have said that once you buy the course, you will hear nothing from them at all. They will not respond to any emails, no phone calls, no nothing. They will take your money and kind of leave you be with a course full of 10, 15 videos. This is something that I don't want you to experience. This is the position that I don't want you to be in. So please be careful. Have a look over the reviews, check every single review, see if it's legitimate or not, and then make your decision. With that being said, guys, I really hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.